and we're just giving the people some of who we are today. So let me ask you another question. What's the biggest obstacle in the way of going to the next level, and how could you hurdle it?
Well, I can answer that. For me, it's myself. Because watch this. In life, nothing can stop you but yourself. You know, people are going to talk about you. People can say whatever they want to, but at the end of the day, you have to understand what your goal is and what you're going to do to get there. And there's nothing that's on this earth that can stop you. So I think that my biggest hurdle is myself, by not being patient, by not taking the time to understand what's in front of me. You understand what I'm saying? I think that, sometimes you want to rush because you want to get to the goal so fast. But I think everything's about pace and timing.
Right.
Like, for instance, like I said, I had my own house. That took pacing and timing. Right. I had to build my credit up. Like David said, he's working on his credit. Once you work on your credit, you could do other things with that. So I think it's just about pacing and timing. So when I think of what's stopping me, I just look at the person in the mirror. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. And you said something important right there. You got goals in life, and you have distractions for each goal. Know that. And your goal and your focus has to be greater than your distraction. Because if your distraction is greater than your goal, you have a new goal now, and it's called distraction. And you would never get to your initial goal